Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove Bluetooth devices from your 2015 Subaru Outback. Okay guys, let's just turn on some lights or something. Let's turn on some lights, get a little bit of extra light. Okay, so over here, just to make sure you have the same car, over here is your navigation, multimedia. Okay, so over here you're at home, so you want to go to press the setting button, and then over here you will see that there is a Bluetooth button there as well. Okay, so we press that, and then over here we have some Bluetooth devices, guys. So you want to go remove, press that, and then you want to press this, whatever you want to press, I mean the device you want to press, and it says remove the following device, and then you just go over here and you press yes. Okay, and that is how you remove a Bluetooth device from your 2015 Subaru Outback, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out.